Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Lucidchart offline. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Lucidchart is primarily an online tool, but you can still work with your diagrams offline to some extent by exporting and importing your files. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the diagram or document that you are working on, and if you wanted to use that offline later. If you haven't already, you might want to click the plus button here in the Lucidchart to start from scratch by clicking the blank document or create from template, and then save it and then try to work on it offline later. In my case, I'm going to be opening this file. And then here, one of the methods for you to be able to use Lucidchart offline is exporting the diagrams for offline viewing. How? All I have to do is hover to the file section. Normally, well, basically, Lucidchart doesn't have the download as option. But of course, you can do this by pressing the export button, wherein you can download it as a PDF, PNG, JPEG, or SVG, or even Visio 2010 if you have that installed in your computer. But for now, we're going to be hovering at the PNG button. We can select from any of the following, and I'm going to include the page fill. And from here, click the download button, save it to your computer, all right, for offline editing. Now, once the file has been exported to your local device or to your computer, the next thing is edit the file with using your offline tools, all right? For example, if you export your file here in Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator for PNG, JPEG, or SVG formats, all right? And from here, the next thing is you want to click on File, save it to a different file format, or if you're using Adobe Illustrator, because right now I'm using Adobe Photoshop, I'm going to export the PDF to Adobe Illustrator. All right. And then from here, you can do a lot of things, edit, annotate, and whatnot. Then the next thing is I'm going to open the exported file using the Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to save it to a different formats. All right. So once you've done that, the next thing that you can do is go back to your Lucidchart dashboard and go here in the added page. All right. And from here, just simply click the file import, click on data or import documents, or open the file from here. It's very easy thing to do. All right. So these are going to be some of your options, and then import changes back to Lucidchart. And then once you're back online, make further edits in Lucidchart if needed. So these are going to be some of your tools. If you anticipate changes and create templates or drafts in advance. Lucidchart is basically designed to be an online collaborative tool, but with these methods, you can still manage your workflows during offline periods. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.